Question number 30, 10th CBSE sample paper released by the CBSE students on the screen. Which of the following reactions are endothermic reactions? Students, you are aware there are two types of reaction, exothermic and endothermic. What do you mean by endothermic reaction, student? Endothermic reactions are those in which heat is absorbed. You know that endothermic reactions are those in which heat is absorbed, student. And you know that exothermic reactions are those in which heat is evolved, student. Heat is evolved. And this is a first, let us see what are those where decomposition also happens. Respiration. What is respiration, student? You know, in respiration, we are inhaling oxygen. You are inhaling oxygen. And inside the body, it is reacting with the glucose, produces carbon dioxide, water, and heat. This is not an endothermic reaction. You know that, student. Respiration is exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction, students. In this, heat is evolved. Heat is evolved. You want to see the reaction, you can see the NCERT book, student. This is our glucose. You are inhaling oxygen gas, student. Oxygen gas, and the result of this is you are producing carbon dioxide gas, you are producing water, student, and you are producing heat or energy. This is an exothermic reaction. Heating of lead nitrate, this is an endothermic reaction, student. This is an endothermic reaction. Heating of lead nitrate, you are aware of it, student. Lead nitrate, PbNO3, student. This is a solid. Lead nitrate is a solid, student. When you heat it, this will absorb heat, student. And what it will happen to it, student? This will decompose into lead oxide, which is a solid. So to balance it, I am writing this equation is not required in the answer, but I am telling you, and you will get 4NO2, student. Brown fumes are there, and this will absorb heat, student. This absorbs heat, and also you will get oxygen gas, student. So what is happening here, student? In the decomposition of lead nitrate, you are absorbing heat. Absorbing heat is being absorbed. This is an example of endothermic reaction. So endothermic reactions are those in which heat is absorbed. Most of the decomposition reaction will absorb heat, student, and then they will decompose naturally. So we say that these are endothermic reaction. Decomposition of organic matter, student, it can be exothermic as well as endothermic, student. So no, this is not endothermic. I will not put it in that category. Electrolysis of acidified water. You are aware, student, water electrolysis you have got in the NCERT book. You have seen when you will pass student current by applying a battery, what will happen? The electro decomposition of water takes place, and you will get the liberation of the gases at the anode, which you will see. This is also an example of endothermic reaction. This is also example of endothermic. So heating of lead nitrate and electrolysis of acidified water are examples of endothermic reaction. You know that when you pass electric current through water, or you in the book you will see 6-volt battery has been attached to the water, and you will see, student, that there will be a liberation of gases at the two electrodes. And you know, just for your information, students, because I explain everything, answer we have already given. But what happens when you do the electrolysis? When you do the electrolysis of, I am giving the equation, electrolysis of acidified H2O. Why acidified, student? Because water has very small concentration of the ions, and when you add acid, the concentration of ions increases. So you know that acidified water. We are saying acidified water. So what will happen at anode, student? Oxidation takes place at anode. Oxidation takes place always at anode. Oxidation takes place. So what will you get at the anode, student? Oxygen gas is liberated. And at cathode there are two electrodes which we use. At cathode, reduction takes place, and you will get the liberation of hydrogen gas. And this needs this an endothermic reaction, absorbs heat. Okay, next question on the screen, student. Silver chloride, when kept in open, AgCl, student, is a solid. This is white in color. This is white in color, student. And when there is a sunlight, student, what happen in the presence of sunlight? This is example of photo decomposition reaction. This is example of photo means light. Photochemical decomposition takes place, students. Photochemical decomposition. With the light energy, silver chloride decomposes. Silver chloride will decompose, students, to give silver, student, silver, which is, and also you will get the chlorine gas, student, chlorine gas. If I want to balance it, this is the reaction. This is, student, captain, this is gray in color. This is due to the decomposition by the light energy, photo decomposition of silver chloride, students. It produces silver, which is gray in color.